Instagram message primary general option not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this. First of all, launch open Instagram. Now tap on the DM icon. Here as you can see, there's no option of primary general. So if you want this, head over to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get to settings and privacy, scroll down. Here, you want to find the option of account type and to select that. Now select switch to professional account. Now tap on next. Then select the category that best describes you. After that, tap on switch to professional account. Now go ahead and select creator or business. Then tap on next. Now follow the on-screen prompts. Close the Instagram app and then launch it open. Now you will easily get the primary and general option on Instagram. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.